Ngayon po na ako ay nakatapos na ng aking takbuhin sa buhay elementarya, nais kong magbigay ng pasasalamat sa lahat ng may bahagi sa panahon na aking ginugol upang mapagtagumpayan ang bahaging ito sa aking pag-aaral, ng aking pag-aaral. First of all, I would like to pay my high respect and to thank our God. Thank you, dear God, for the gift of life. Each day is a precious opportunity to experience the beauty of His creation and to grow closer to Him. I am grateful for His unwavering love and presence in my life. Through the ups and downs, you have been my constant source of strength, comfort, and guidance. His unconditional love has given me the courage to face challenges and the reassurance that I am never alone. I thank Him for the gift of salvation through His Son, Jesus Christ. Through His sacrifice, He has granted us forgiveness, redemption, and the promise of eternal life. I am forever grateful for the hope and peace that come from knowing Him and His plan for my life. I humbly offer my sincerest thanks for everything you have done and continue to do. His love, grace, and blessings are beyond measure. And I am eternally grateful for His presence in my life. May my actions and words always reflect my gratitude, and may I strive to live a life that honors and glorifies Him. To our esteemed guests, thank you for gracing us with your presence and for believing in our cause. Your support has been instrumental in our journey towards success. To our mentors and advisors, thank you for your guidance and wisdom. Your expertise and insights have been invaluable in shaping our path and helping us navigate the complex landscape of our industry. Your unwavering belief in our potential has fueled our determination to reach greater heights. Mga minamahal kong kaklase, ngayon na tayo ay maghihiwa-hiwalay na, nais kong magpaalam ng maikling sandali. Ang ating mga pinagsamahan ay puno ng tawanan, mga karanasan na pinagsaluhan, at hindi malilimutan na mga alaala. Nagpapasalamat ako sa mga kaibigan na nabuo at sa suportang ibinigay natin sa isa't isa. Bagaman magkakahiwa-hiwalay na ang ating mga landas, umaasa ako na magkakasalubong ang ating mga landas muli sa hinaharap. Tandaan natin na ang ating samahan bilang mga magkakaklase ay mananatiling buhay. At pahahalagahan ko ang mga sandaling ating pinagsamahan. Tunay nga ang kasabihan na no matter how deep the bond is, no matter how happy those memories are, the day will come and we'll end up taking different paths and move on. Paalam, aking mga minamahal na kaklase. Ako'y nananalangin na inyong makamit ang tagumpay, kaligayahan at kasiyahan sa inyong mga tunguhin. Magpatuloy tayong magkaugnay at mag-ingat. Thank you for being a part of my life. A classroom that was once filled with loud memories is now empty and silent. I'll miss you school year 2023 to 2024. Sa aking mga magulang, thank you for being amazing parents. Your love, support, and dedication mean the world to your children. You are doing an incredible job, and we appreciate you more than words can express. Thank you, because every time I worry about exams, overthinking that I might fail, you're still reminding me that no matter what score I get, you are still proud of me, and the important thing is that I did my best. Salamat sa walang sawang pagtatrabaho para lang mabigyan niyo kami ng magandang kinabukasan. Salamat po sa pag-aalala sa aking kaluluwa. Salamat sa pagiging instrumento sa akin para ako ay mas lalong mapalapit sa Panginoon. Sorry po dahil minsan po ay ako'y pasaway. Mahal na mahal ko po kayo. Sa aking tatlong matatalik na kaibigan, sabay-sabay tayong magpaalam sa elementary level at sabay-sabay nating harapin ang junior high school. Talagang napakaswerte ko. Talagang napakapalad ko na kayo ay naging matatalik ko na kaibigan. Ang ating mga alaala, mga tawanan, at mga pagsubok na pinagdaanan natin ay hindi ko malilimutan. Sa aking tatlong matatalik na kaibigan. Ate Tricia, thank you for being a part of my life. Nawa ay mas lalo kang lumago sa Panginoon. Thank you for being there for me. I thank God for your life. Thank you for being there through my ups and downs. Precious, thank you for not only being my cousin, but also my best friend. Salamat dahil naging instrumento ka sa akin para ako ay mas lalong mapalapit sa Panginoon. Thank you for inviting me sa mga Bible studies. Thank you for being there for me. Ay, Athena, ngayon nalilipat ka na ng paaralan. I hope distance doesn't change a thing, doesn't make us strangers. Thank you for being there at my lowest. Sobrang hirap man tanggapin pero kailangan. Maybe someday we can sit next to each other in class one more time. I'll never forget the memories we shared. I'll be happy for you and always pray the best for you. I will miss you. Proud na proud ako sa'yo. Proud ako sa inyong tatlo. Magpatuloy lang tayo sa Panginoon. We made it. We've all made it. Mahal na mahal ko kayong lahat. Maraming salamat sa lahat ng suporta at pagmamahal na ibinahagi ninyo sa akin. Kayo ay ang aking karamay sa mga oras ng kalungkutan at kasiyahan. Hindi ko may paliwanag ang kahalagahan ng ating pagkakaibigan. Alam ko na ang ating pagkakaibigan ay mananatiling matatag. Muli, maraming salamat sa lahat ng mga sandali na ating pinagsamahan. Nawa ay mas lalo tayong lumago sa Panginoon. And let's make our friendship more spiritual. Please be the happiest you guys can be. Be healthy and love yourself. Hanggang sa muli nating pagkikita.